Hatakere gaja ire ho wake igwarugabiru ukamenya guko tikungi no ende ni kwa Muthingi TV na gitio kinene gai kunyita ugeni methaini itu ya mohoro ni mwihoko wakwa no atidia thayo na kuria watido kimathani gwa gikiumia tukirikaine nae muthenya wa Friday gikwendithiria weekend njega na nirakirekire kuineka giki ni kiumia kingi tugagicokeria ngai ngatho ni undu wa gwitukinyaniria hatakire gaja ikiri ho ngai kunyita ugeni methaini itu ya mohoro njitikiria na gitio kinene kumenyithia maria andikitwo mohoro matinda magitumathira kuma county ciothe 47 guku ni kwa Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema ria kodishejetie no ende wajita Kariuki wa andu ati ni gukorwo gitika Jereria ni ati President William Ruto ni ahoete bururi wa Tanzania kweheria ihingisha ciothe na iria ingituma biashara yake kana biashara yage gukorwo ikirutika igana kwa igana gatagati ka mabũrũri maya meri. Ruto ni ongereire ati ugiteri gatagati ka mabũrũri maya meri ni gukorwo ukiimarithio kana ni gukorwo ukirorwo na njira eithiranite na makiria itemini ria gutigirira ati jakara cia ekinae itinakorwo ikiona kamweke na uhuthiri moru wa dawa cia kulevya na wakorwo ukirengwo kaimana gatagati ka mabũrũri maya meri. President Ruto ayanite ndomereri no ari bũrũri-inĩ wa Tanzania na kuria arathiite icera riake ria nduko igiri ni twamukira ripoti iyo.
As I said earlier, trade between our two countries has grown phenomenally. In 1 year, exports from Kenya to Tanzania grew from 31 billion shillings to 45 billion shillings. Trade of goods from Tanzania to Kenya grew from 27 billion shillings to 50 billion shillings. When you and President Kenyatta were working on these barriers that were barriers to trade, many people thought it would benefit Kenya. But today, it has benefited Tanzania more than Kenya. And we are very happy as the people of Kenya that the old feeling that Kenya was benefiting more than Tanzania from trade has now changed. And I think it's now clear to all of us that increase in trade benefits everybody. And I have come here to underwrite that increase in trade is where we want to go. We want to increase